Okay, first thing you want to do is unplug the washer. I'm about to disassemble a hot point washer. First thing you want to do is remove these panel back here, the control panel cover. It has 3/4 inch screws. So we're going to take those 3 screws off. So I'm using a 1/4 inch driver. And to remove the panel, you just pull down and move to the right. Slide it to the right out of the slot, out of its tabs, and it'll come down. And here are the wire connectors that have to be removed and pressure valve. So yeah, you're gonna move. I removed that already. I removed the wire harness from the timer and pressure valve and selection switch. So you're gonna remove all these wires. I advise to take a photo of the wires to make sure you know how to make sure they put back in the proper position. And once you remove all the wires, take the actual control panel off, put it to the side out of the way. Now we're going to remove the front panel, use a putty knife, and slide it in, push the tab in on the right side and the left, and it pops out. And you have 2 tabs at the bottom that the panel is slid into. Just slide them out and put that to the side. Now you have a bracket that holds the lid onto the body of the washer. Get that 1/4 inch drive out and remove that. Remove the 1/4 inch screw that mounts the lid onto the body. The right and the left, should be 2 screws for that. Now you still have a wire harness that's connected. The lid switch is connected to the body of the washer, so you're gonna slide the lid switch through the top of the lid, and you're gonna need some needle nose pliers to remove that harness because it's connected to the body of the washer, and you'll need it to slide that off. So, you put that lid, take that off, take the lid off, put it to the side. Now you're gonna remove the rest of the screws that are located in the back underneath the panel that was removed, and that back panel. And with the marker, I'm showing you where they're located at. I think we were around four black screws. And there are your side collars that slide in and out. So that was mounted down by a screw, and once you do screw it out, you slide it out after you take the black screw out. Just slide it out towards the front of the washer and do both sides. Put that to the side. And you have these four what I would call probably tension straps that are screwed down onto the tub. You need to remove those. Remove the screws, and then the strap will slide off. Now you're going to take the top of the tub off, the ring, and you have to, what you're going to have to do is take the snap-on connectors right there. They'll just pop off. You have to give them away from the little plastic piece all the way around the top of the tub. And once you unfasten those, then the top should come right off. Sometimes there's a screw in the middle of this, but I found out that it isn't. Take the agitator off, you're just going to have to grab right underneath there and pull up, and it will pop off. And that's the video for the day. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you like this video. And a comment. Thank you.